Friends, kailangan nyong ihanda ang mga tissue nyo para sa pelikulang to. This movie is heartwarming at the same time heartbreaking. This is a kid's journey of love, grief, and acceptance. It has a creative way of showing you kung paano nga ba ang process ng pag-move on ng mga bata when they are in their darkest days. Pinapakita rin ng pelikula kung gaano kaganda ang magiging development ng isang bata if you support their creative mind at the very young age. Isang creative at imaginative na bata si Tonton. But behind those colorful imagination of his, ay isang batang hinahanap ang liwanag ng mga alitap-tap lalo na sa kanyang dark times. And it's heartbreaking to watch his journey of acceptance. And it hits different lalo na kung napagdaanan mo rin yung mga napagdaanan ni Tonton. And to figure that all out at the very young age is sobrang nakakalungkot. You have to navigate all these feelings and figure it out yourself. At naiintindihan ng Firefly how a child would cope in this situation. Overall, I really enjoyed watching this movie.